it's either going to call it a dog or it's going to blow up. It's going to crash, right? Because somebody didn't put an error trap in there, and it's going, I don't know what that is, right? Because it only, we call it artificial intelligence, but it really isn't. It's programmed intelligence. It's maybe augmented intelligence, but it can, at this point, maybe it'll become there's this quasi self-learning stuff going on, but for the most part, it only knows what we told it.
Right.
What we fed into the model. And if we fed it garbage from a data swamp, the output's not going to be what you need, and it's not going to be correct. It's not going to meet your expectations, and that's what worked me eventually back into this whole. Yeah, we got to have some kind of a data model. Now, it doesn't. Does it have to be a technical third normal form table and column with foreign keys? No, it doesn't have to be that. Right? We're up a level, right? Up to that semantic model, what we originally called. We did it in entity relationship modeling with entities and relationships, not tables, columns, and foreign keys and indexes. It was none of that. It was up a level, and the books you were referencing, David Hayes' book, and then even Bill Inman's and Ralph Kimballs, and even in the Databall world where we talk about business keys and business objects. We've all been trying for decades to get people to realize it's going to work way better if we actually model the business. Yep. Right. And now I think, you're seeing that come to fruition more so now with the AI and Gen AI and LLMs is if we want to be able to ask a question and have the LLM understand the question and return an answer in terms we understand. Business, one of our business executives asks the question, they're not going to say, I need to see a count of XYZ from table 1, 2, and 3 in database X on Snowflake in our European instance.
Yeah.
So that it can generate a SQL. That's never, ever. That's not self-service, right? That's not self-service BI. That is not what we're looking for.